Hello and welcome to my CAB202 project, the reverse parking sensor. My name is Lachlan Oberon and I'll be taking you through my project. First of all, let us identify the components of this project. They be a switch, a LED, a piezo speaker, an ultrasonic sensor, and an LCD screen. Together, these form the components for my project, and these also meet the learning outcomes of an LCD screen, an LED, a switch. Instead of an analog input, we use a ultrasonic sensor in its stead, and we have a piezo for a analog output. Things that are not shown here, that do not have physical quantities, be the timers that are employed, switch to bouncing, as well as serial output. I'll now demonstrate my code for you. Be warned, it will make a loud, sharp buzzing noise that will play at increasing intervals as the distance goes up and decrease in intervals as the distance comes down, which I will demonstrate, but I would suggest turning your headphones down slightly. I will now start the simulation. As you can see, as the distance went up, the interval between the buzzers reduced, and as the distance reduced, the interval between the buzzers reduced as well. As you also would have noticed, the serial printed the distance that the sensor was returning, and the same distance was sent to the LCD screen. The buzzer played a tone that was relevant to the different ranges from 10 to 100 centimeters, 100 to 200 centimeters, and 200 to 300 centimeters. Past 300 centimeters or within 10 centimeters, the code does not function. This is due to limitations of the ultrasonic sensor. You would also notice the LED light up as soon as the system enters its activated state once the button has been pressed, and you would have also seen this screen change to present distance. Once you press the button again and set the system back to a deactivated state, the light turns off and the screen goes back to its please enable parking sensor message. All learning outcomes are met by this task, as well as all components are within the scope as defined by the task. Thank you very much for watching.